Hi, good morning. Today we have the Kodak film camera. It's a Kodak EKTAR H35 half frame camera. So what I mean by half frame is that because it's a film camera, generally you're using a 35mm film, and you actually just use half a frame of every time you actually press the shutter. Alright? And this round, it's not like digital camera. We don't need a memory card, we need film. So today what I have is stated here alien motion picture film. It's actually a Kodak Vision 250D. So it's a 250 ISO for daylight. And then we also have, this one is a 36 exposure film. So meaning, if I actually apply this here, I'll at least get a 72 shots from the camera itself. Okay? And it's powered by none other than, hold on, a AAA battery for the flash. Alright, so nothing sophisticated, just this, and this. Alright, that's it. We will see you on the unboxing. Okay, so here we are in Lalaport. We are doing an unboxing, and this time we are doing it a bit special. We are going to do a walking unboxing. Alright, so here I have what I mentioned, a Kodak film camera. It's a EKTAR 35 half frame camera. So let's open. So the box is rather simple. You see the box over here. I don't really need it, so I just throw. And then I'll have a pouch. Okay, I'll keep it. Then I have the camera. Okay, very lightweight. I have a quick start guide. I don't think I need it. And then I have also a strap. Yeah, this one I don't need. Alright, so yeah, basically that's a very simple setup. Just strap it over here, and then we can, it's a unwind. I can actually just take it out. Here's for the battery. I have the battery over here. Right. So here's the battery. Show me like this. Alright, done. And then here's for the film. So if I just take it out. Okay, just like this. And then here's to wind it. Seems pretty straightforward. So I do have a film with me. Let me take it out. Just keep this first. Okay, so show this. Alright. So it should be as simple as this. To load it. Alright. I load it. Okay. So, yep. Done. So you just need to wind it. Alright, wind it over here, and until here is stated 1, then you are ready to shoot.
Can't see it.
Alright, and here we also have the flash, because just now I loaded the battery. So there's a flash. I can just turn it from no flash to flash. Then I can use it for low light photography. Okay, that's it. Done.